In this video, we're going to look at calculating the mean from group data. And as you can see, we're asked to find an estimate for the mean weight of some cats. And the data is given in a grouped form. So 11 cats weigh between 0 and 4 kilogram, including 4. Then we've got from 4 up to and including 8, for which 23 cats are in that group, and so on. Now we're asked to find an estimate. The reason we can't find the actual mean is because we don't actually know how much these cats actually weigh. We only know these 23 cats, for example, weigh between 4 and 8 kilogram. So we need to add 2 more columns to our table, and the first column we need to add is, because we know this group is between 0 and 4, we're just going to assume that the average cat in this group weighs in between 0 and 4, which is the midpoint, which is of course 2. So in this column we just add all of the midpoints. So the next group between 4 and 8 is going to be 6, and then 8 and 12 is going to be 10, and finally between 12 and 16 is going to be 14. So we're just assuming in these groups that the average of the cats is equal to the midpoint, and we then want to find an estimate for the total weight of all the cats. So we can do that by multiplying the frequency by the midpoint of each of the different groups. So if we do 11 times 2, we get 22. We can then do 23 times 6, which is 138. Then 14 times 10, which is 140. And finally 2 times 14, which is 28. If we then add up this column, it gives us 328. That is an estimate for the total weight of all the cats. We then find the total frequency, so how many cats there were, and that's 50. Then to work out our mean, we simply divide this total by this total. So if we do 328 divided by 50, and that gives us 6.56 kilogram. And we should ask ourselves, is this answer realistic? This weight would fall into this group here, which was also the modal group, so it therefore looks like a good answer. But remember, it's only an estimate because we didn't actually know specifically how much each cat weighed. We only knew which groups they were in.